Number 2, changing a subscript in a correctly written chemical formula, C, changes the formula so that it no longer represents the compound it previously represented. Now, I'm really hoping that you didn't even think D was a potential answer, because it most definitely does have effect. When you change the subscripts on something, you are changing things significantly. Causes a chain reaction of other things you have to change in that formula. Now, one thing I will, just to double check, just to make sure you guys are reading this correctly. This question says in a correctly written chemical formula. So in the next couple sections, when we start trying to determine chemical formulas for different things, realize you're going to be changing the subscripts of those formulas because you're still trying to figure out what they are. You're not done yet. You don't have that final answer, that final formula. This question is asking about when you do have that final formula, right? Correctly written chemical formula means you have what it's supposed to be. Realize when we're just trying to figure out what the formula is, we don't have the correctly written formula yet. That's what we're trying to figure out. So in that situation, yes, you're going to change those subscripts so that you can get that correctly written chemical formula. But once you have the correctly written chemical formula, do not change those subscripts, or else you'll just be changing what chemical you're actually talking about.